take this opportunity to welcome Shri Nehlang Lyngdoh, the former minister and former MLA of the then Rambai constituency, now Clariat constituency, and all his supporters, all of you who have come here today to join the family of the National People's Party. I, on behalf of the National People's Party, as your national president, I take this opportunity to once again welcome each and every one of you to the family of the National People's Party. Friends, I was talking to our Deputy Chief Minister, and we were just discussing that this office has seen, and this location has seen so many different events in the past many months and many years. And in the recent past, in this particular stage, in this particular office, we have seen so many leaders of the state who have been working in their capacity to take the state forward and work for their people and their constituency. We are seeing them today coming and joining the National People's Party in large numbers. And while we see that, we are humbled and we are grateful and thankful to God Almighty for the blessings that He is giving to each and every one of us and to the National People's Party. And we also, at this point in time, remember our founding leader, late Pyniasnoh, who has laid the principles for this party to move forward. And we, as the workers and leaders of the party, are continuing in those steps. And today is another very important milestone for us, where a very senior leader like Shri Nehlang Lyngdoh, who has been an MLA twice, a person who has always worked for the grassroots, a leader who is very popular with his people, today has decided to join the National People's Party. It's a great reflection of the trust that these leaders and their people and their followers and their public today has on the National People's Party. I believe that they see the National People's Party as a party that will take the state forward, is taking the state forward, and will continue to take the state forward in the future also. And that is why we are seeing people from different areas, regions, different constituencies, today reposing their faith on the National People's Party. It's indeed a very great moment for us as a party. And I once again thank each and every one of you for having trust in the National People's Party. And I assure you that we will work together to take your area, your people, and the state as a whole forward in all the endeavors and work that we do. In the last 4 years, we have been working tirelessly on many, many important issues that are important to the state. Issues that have been neglected for many years. Issues like the border issue. Issues like the coal mining issue, where mining was banned by the NJT and the past governments did not take any steps to go ahead and open it or lift the ban and go for scientific mining. Today I was replying in the House. Today in the House I was replying and telling this House that we have 17 applicants who have filed for prospecting license, and they've been given the prospecting license, and now the exploration is going on. And I'm very sure that at the pace at which things are moving, may not be all the 17 in one go, but we will see that few of these will be able to get their mining lease and also get their mining plan approved and be able to start scientific mining in the state in a very, very short period of time. It was a big challenge for us but we are committed to the people of the state. Yes, we have faced challenges and difficulties, but we have always kept our spirits high. We've always ensured that we always keep the interest of the people of our state in front of us. We have always ensured that we listen to people, whether it's political leaders, whether it's the public, whether it's civil society. This government and the party has been somebody and the organization that has always believed in listening to the people. And that is the reason why today so many people are coming forward and supporting the National People's Party and strengthening the party so that we can come out victorious in the next election. And I'm sure that by the kind of support that we're getting from each and every one of you, the National People's Party, the NPP, will come out victorious in the coming election, and we will get more than 30 seats in this coming election in 2023 is what I'm very, very sure about.
Ngasngau puram sibun bahadin kajing kren ka babun sin ima Nehlang lasim ya karai ya kaban join sundon officially menta kajan meet ang ne pok party office jongi ngasuka ban ong ya pi kum kinong yalam ka party ki jongi kanang kiu na ka wei ka benai sya ka wei ka benai na ka wei ka sngi sya ka wei pat ka sngi kani kade ka ngatrai la ka bakla ka bangi penrung ya ki leaders ki bon join party kade ka meeting ka balai bat ngidang bun nang nei sekmat ka ba ki babun ba ki ban wan join nginam ya thu kerteng ma pa matang sya thu la blat no ka wei ka thom ka bangi bu hapo ka Jylla jong national president hapo ka Jylla jong Conrad sangau chief minister ka thom ka long ngi kwa ban pen keladur ya ka Jylla mi khala jong i baro ka wei pilai i menta ka ji syakri jong i south dan tam kadon ke jingkela ke ji syak keno ro ka babun anau Conrad sangau nong tu nong luti upros tu no balap mit ka tu ka luti ana balik klok plan ayo na hat na dukan na po surok lai baro kita kidai tang kinia ki ba klem don kono rit tengi na kaliang jo ka parti kat bakin nang keno kat banang syak kren ben kata kanang ay mensim yangi bangin trei ban syakri yagi paiba nga idon si kermen bahaya ka east Jylla Hills ba ka west Jylla Hills ba how arpolai mano balak ban pip yo min repeat ya ke history kabangakan mausa ako to kapor ke UDP ke yo nyau na kan nyau na trengi kan maulang ya kata te tongin ya bat ya kana ke history bala si mangiru ha unius nem banwan ngila ban poi sya kata kathong ban poi sya kata kathong idon kampat ya ki plan bat kumju ya ki agenda ke pengin lechi ki pajba ki agenda ke jongi na kaliang jo ka parti baladangi poi biang ha kabor kumnong in syakri ya ki pajba jong ke Jylla mi kala jongi
pening mesin besok men hadok kata-kata ima Nehlang Lyngdoh beriwe ni rong ba e pau nom ha state jongi ibla tengi ka politik sipor handai iman iyo klem mat kamlong ina wan beng la phai mi sen ka fil the khoblei sibon ni phima bar kumjo khamtam mi phigi kinong bot kinong sendran i baro hi bawan naga sinong kuno si jongi hi mar ka jingdon jongi ma ka jingru ji party ji ngatrangi dang klang chuchu ka party jongi te bor ka jingr par khamtam mi phigi nong yelam ni kinong sendran ki leaders ki jongi ma Nehlang Lyngdoh pintre stom kumju tere hagi por blade nang inyo eg borom honus nembanwan nakaling jong arom ko am kan bongutin menila menong gawai na kasi don borom khamtam ng nakaling Jylla district ro ni panpa wi songu uri so kumen hado kata-kata ba ini rangba nomor lawan lang saka new family ki jongi tekadak kalay i ki ong ba kibriu ku betere kim jokren to mau kren tang ar kinten usong no tarai ki kamram ni kam bujula le ima rambun kaman batai so naman hakapod long kumno mi kman ngile na dai tangi rupai ba sudah ta kami ti kijing lungjung sa NPP family ki jongi kan perklanjingi hakiling boro wish you all the best man Nehlang Lyngdoh in the days to come in the years to come you'll be in success in your life ai ko boleh Deputy Chief Minister ba Presiden Tensong ba Sngam Halang Dhar bat Minister Gudon Langhane bat ki MLA bat ki nong lam ke NPP ki bofer bat ki nong seran lang bat nganang tina 6 Carat constituency bat ki media bat borok ki Gudon Langhane borok ya melak manjir keteng nang nong bat ai khablei kerpang ki blei ndorong kalang bat pi bat da pa kam nang ni bang ni lek ki gisem ngilik sup lek sang naduk ki Minister MLA hado ifi ki ba baro hoblei siajar ngok kublei sibun